Hello fellow RVers, this is Gary, Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. Well, sometimes freedom doesn't take us to a campground or a state park or a national recreation center. Sometimes it brings us to places like Cummins, Harmar, Pennsylvania. We're 11 miles from Pittsburgh, in case you want to know where we're at. There we go.
And our generator is in one of these service bays.
Yes.
And our RV is right over there.
Yeah, we're plugged in. We got a big hole in the front. Getting our generator repaired, long time overdue. In fact, a year overdue.
A whole year.
Yes. We were at Mesa Verde. Long story short, Mesa Verde, we were up on the mountain, no water at site, no electric at site. So we brought our own water. We had our generator. Well, the generator decided it didn't want to work. Not that it has a brain, but we went to run the generator and it would only run 5 minutes and shut off. 5 minute shut off, code 24. It's a water sensor, temperature sensor. Went bad, so it would only run 5 minutes and then it would shut down. So we did a video about all that. We scrambled, we found a place to go, blah, blah, blah.
It was in the evening.
Yeah, so.
Let me paint the picture. It was in the evening.
Yeah.
And our generator would not work.
Yeah. So right about a year now has passed and we decided to get it fixed. And you might ask, well, why did you wait a year? Well, we've traveled full time. And lots of times when you try to make an appointment to get it done, well, they're like a month out or 2 weeks out or 3 weeks out, so it's just not convenient for us to do it, and we didn't really need the generator for any upcoming sites that we had planned out. We didn't need a generator for. We all had shore power at all the sites we were going to go to, so we put it off until we were coming up toward my son-in-law's house in around Pittsburgh area. There was a Cummins dealership there. We called a month in advance and made an appointment, and that's where we went to get our generator repaired. Our type of generator is in the front of our motorhome. It's not on a slide, so in order to fix it, you have to drop it out of the, you have to take the generator out of the RV and to fix anything on it, basically.
And that was labor, how much an hour was it?
I don't know their hourly rate, I didn't ask, but
the biggest cost for us to have this generator, this one little part fixed,
yes,
was removing it from our RV.
Yeah.
So tips to anybody who is looking for a motorhome, or I guess, I don't know, fifth wheels and travel trailers, I don't know how they come or if they come with them, but slide out is the way to go.
Yeah, but
add that to your
if it was on a slide, I could have done it, but
yeah,
as far as me dropping, I mean, you got to jack it up almost 4 feet in the air to get enough room to drop that thing below.
Huge.
Yeah.
It is so much bigger than I thought it was.
Yes.
I was thinking it was, probably half that size, and he was talking about taking it out with our son-in-law. Like, I think we might could do it. It's a good thing we didn't.
Yeah, well, we didn't do it. We let somebody else do it for us. But anyway, so we were at, like I said, Cummins in Harmar, Harmar, Pennsylvania. The service guy is Sean, who you call and sets everything up with. The generator repair guy was Matt. Top-notch repair guy.
And our experience with Harmar, am I saying it right? Harmar.
David said it was Harmar.
Harmar. Our experience with Harmar, Cummins service and parts place, they were amazing. They were friendly, they were efficient, they got it done. We had a place to plug in. It was 30 amp, but that was fine. And a waiting room, you can bring your dogs in. There's parks in the area that you can go to.
No.
But they were friendly, easy to deal with, and so if you're up in the Pittsburgh area and you need any work done, that's a good place to go.
Yes. We had a 9 o'clock appointment. We pulled in at 9 o'clock, maybe quarter of. They were right on it.
Right.
They had the generator out that day, ordered the parts. Now, while I had my generator out and fully exposed to the world, I went ahead and had parts changed on it that might need to be changed, not due to hours of use, but maybe due to age.
Yeah.
Because our generators only has like 750 hours on it, but they're 10 years old actually, because we have a 2013, so it's been there for 10 years. It's never been worked on. So we had the water pump changed and the dry belt changed, the valve train, valves adjusted.
So the water pump,
I'm trying to think. There's a water pump, the thermostat, the dry belt, temperature switch, and they say to adjust the valves at 750 hours, so we had that done too.
right, and Matt, the technician that took care of us, took care of the generator. I mean, he was like, he showed us inside the generator, he answered questions, and said it looked good. Basically gave it a good looking over.
Yes.
So we appreciate that.
Showed us where everything was in there and what everything did.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were there 2 days. Most of the parts came in the next day, but the water pump, and then that came in that next day, and then they had us in and
right,
and gone.
It would have been one day,
right?
But the water pump did not come in with the other parts, so we had to wait till the next day.
So we spent 2 nights there.
Yeah.
Which wasn't bad. Like I said, we had a place to plug in, so we were good.
Great food nearby. What was the name of that pizza place?
Nova? Is it Nova? N-O-V-A?
I don't think. It was a lot something. I don't know.
Something.
I'll put the name of the pizza place. The best pizza and calzones. I'm sure there's other places around there, but I mean, there's also McDonald's. You can walk down the road to. It's like
all kind of
there.
restaurants are there.
There's a lot. The Allegheny River is right nearby, and it's kind of an industrial area, but it's a lot of things to places to eat.
Right. But anyway, we got our generators repaired. It's humming like a
purring like a cat,
purring like a kitten, or well-oiled time machine, or whatever you want to call it.
And it's doing its thing. So Mr. D ran it all the way on our next, travel day.
Ran it for an hour. So,
yeah. So it's so far so good. Generator's working. Woohoo! Now we can stay at Cracker Barrel again.
Yeah. Get some food, right? Anyway, so we did get our generator is repaired and it's up and running again.
Yep.
And even though it took us a year, hey, we're retired.
Well, I mean, I know a lot of people can put your rig in the shop and just let it sit there because you're working or whatever, but we're traveling and living in ours, so we just waited till it was a convenient time, and it was just now a convenient time. So.
It is nice having that little extra backup there just in case something happens. You can run your generator and be okay.
We had that happen when our surge guard went out. It went
Transfer
out.
switch.
Transfer switch. When our transfer switch went out, we had to rely on our generator till we could get to a shop.
Yeah, the shore power side of the transfer switch broke.
Yeah, so we had a couple.
That was another video.
Yeah, we'll put that up here too. So there's always going to be a repair now and then, and you just kind of roll with it and celebrate. Woohoo! When it's fixed.
Yep.
Yes, we're back in generator business, and right now everything's working good.
Doing good. We're going to wrap this up now. So if you have any questions or comments to make about generators, or want to ask any specifics about hours or anything like that, just shoot us put something in the comment there, and I'll answer you the best I can about whatever it is you question or want to know about. And I guess we'll just be moving on.
Right. And remember, RV shopping tip, get a slide out generator. Look for that.
If you can.
If you can.
It'll save you on labor.
Yes.
Well, take care, folks. This is Gary, Sharon, Rough Road RV Life. Click like, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Follow the journey.
Yep. Take care. Safe travels.
Bye.